So this is a gold position that I took on yesterday. You can see 0.8 of a lot, £215 used. And we're already up to £730 profit. And for those who have not seen my previous videos, the yellow line is a 200 moving average. This red and blue and white is a Donchan. The white in the middle is the 21 moving average. And basically anything below the 21, as you can see here. So it's been a downtrend. That's a little bit of a correction, still a downtrend. This could be a correction unless it goes above that. But a good method to show you is a directional movement system, or DMS indicator. This whole platform, it obviously is not MT4, it's CTrader, which I find a lot more modern, easier to use and a lot clearer. It's really good. So this indicator, so basically when you cross here, so let's just put on a line. Let's just get a line. Pick a vertical line, put that there. So basically when the points cross, that's a clear indication of a new trend. So the red line going up, that is a downtrend. Green line going down. So what you want is a big distance between these two. And as you can see, when they cross over, so here, let's just do another line to make this easier. So between this point and this point is a downtrend. So you just stay in, and the Heikin-Ashi candles help you. And also Donchan helps you because it's underneath the moving average of 21. So as long as here it crossed over, and also here's a crossover. So between that point and that point is a clear downtrend, and the white line going up is a strength signal line. So as soon as it hits the top here, you basically should be getting out. So if we got out there, we would have got out there, and that would have stopped the reversal. But as you can see, it came back in. So you've got another small downtrend here. Let's mark that up again. Just to here. So between there and there's another downtrend, as you can see here. And then it's gone into an uptrend. Doesn't look very strong because the distance between the green and the red is very small compared to the green and red here. So this could turn up like that, or it could go like that. I don't know. I'm not clairvoyant, but usually price is it's getting quite close to 200 moving average. So, you know, let's wait and see. But even if I closed out at £280 from £600, what's that? Over 300% profit in less than 1 day. Well, nearly 1 day. That's not so bad in these times. So if you want more information, read the description. It's a course that explains everything, and obviously subscribe if you find it interesting, because I'm going to try and do these videos every single day.